Have you ever seen 5 snowflakes in a room before? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have, bringing you original content always. What's up, guys? Gjeebs here, and today we're putting new wheels on the ST. They're just the same old wheels, and like I've always said, I mean, I really like the Rado Gray snowflakes that came on my ST. Not a fan of the premium wheel design. Not that it's a bad wheel, just this is more my style. And so today we're going to go get them mounted, balanced, and put on the ST, and then I'm going to sell my wheels, just because there's that one wheel that lost this nice clear coat finish basically from the day I bought it, because there was a scuff on it like right about here. So I had them fix it, but they re-sanded and refinished the whole wheel, and it just looked absolutely horrible. When I used just normal wheel cleaner to clean the wheel, it started to break it down. So yeah, so it was just time to get these replaced. And also take a look at this funny conversation I had. I bought these on OfferUp, and from ST Drew. Yeah, that's who I bought the wheels from, and he ended up, he's watched some of my videos or followed me on Instagram or something like that. So that's what's going on today. We're gonna head over to Discount Tire, get these mounted, balanced, and then I'll let you know how they look after they're on the car. Now, some of you may be asking yourself, what does a snowflake weigh? And I'm about to reveal this secret. $27.2 pounds. Now, I weighed one earlier and I thought it was 24. So, is there inconsistencies? Be with the king. Is there inconsistencies in each wheel? Let's make sure I don't drop it on here. 27.2. Okay, well, I was just wrong. That's pretty consistent. TJ Hunt signed this? I mean, TJ, if you signed my wheel, I mean, I know you were signing dashboards and things like that, but the inside of Focus ST wheels, I mean, you deserve the success you've had. I didn't know you were that committed. That's the type of consistency I expect from the Ford Performance team. That's what I like to see. The new wheels are mounted on the car. New snowflakes are ready to go. They're a little dirty right now from the mounting, but I'm going to get the car's all dirty, so I'm just gonna get it all cleaned up tomorrow. But they look good. They look really good. It's satisfying to have 4 solid wheels on the car. Now, structurally, the wheels that I replaced, totally fine. The defect was that one wheel, the finish came off of it, basically from the first day I bought it. If you're not familiar, when I bought my car, there was a scuff like right here. Dealership said they'd fix it. They fixed it, but they did a cheap job, and the finish just kept coming off. I had it refinished by another guy. His finish came off. So I don't know what the deal was, but what I'm gonna do is sell these wheels, all 4 of my old wheels, for $150. And what that would be good for is if you want a set of wheels for the track that you don't care about, you could get them spray coated and have them black wheels, or just get them totally refinished like the proper way, which I never actually did. I think that would be what they're best for, and for only $150, that's a good deal, because these wheels a piece from the factory cost $650. Like, if you were to walk into a Ford dealership, that's what it would cost. So they're very expensive, and that's because OEM wheels go through so much more testing than like a wheel that you can find online at like Tire Rack or something like that. So my advice to you guys, if you're looking to get aftermarket wheels, don't cut corners, don't be cheap about it. I've seen so many rep wheels that they break and under high heat. I would rather get a nice forged wheel, spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on it,
and do that, or just stick with what the factory has to offer you. So that's my advice there. I looked at BBS wheels the other day for an M2, and it would cost $8,000 just for the rim. So they're very expensive, but they're lightweight, you know, they're well built and all that type of stuff. So that's kind of where we're at. I will get the car cleaned up, and maybe I'll post some pictures on Instagram or Twitter, so follow me on there if you haven't already. Let's take a little listen to the exhaust. This exhaust, just sounds so good. Like, if I could be an exhaust salesman for the Focus ST, I think I could sell about 100 exhausts a month. I don't know what the commission would be on that, but this exhaust sounds so good, especially like just sitting here now idling. It's very quiet, has a sporty tone to it, but it's not the obnoxious straight pipe exhaust. It doesn't drone. It's loud when I want it to be. I just can't say enough about that exhaust. It's one of my favorite things that I've done to the Focus ST. In one of my next videos, I'm going to be talking about reviewing the Ford Performance pack, which I have in my car, and just kind of realized I had it the other day. I did it piecemeal and I didn't get it all at once. So I'm going to do a full review of that and kind of give you guys my feedback. Also contemplating getting the Ford Performance springs for the car. I think it lowers the car about 1/2 of an inch. So the stance would be slightly more aggressive, and then also the ride quality apparently isn't really affected by the springs. It's tighter. It's a little, you know, it's a little more springy, but they've been tuned by Ford Performance specifically for the ST, and obviously I put a lot of value in what manufacturers do. That's what's coming up. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate the support. Again, if you want to find other ways to connect with me, I post some things to Twitter and Instagram. A lot of you have found me on Instagram, so I think we're close to 1,000 followers there, so why not hit 1,000 followers on Instagram? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Also, if we can get to 100,000 subscribers before September 21st, I will be giving this car away. I am going to have to adjust how I give it away, but I'm going to give it away. So you do your part, subscribe, get us to 100,000 subscribers before the 21st of September, and this could be yours. So one thing I forgot to mention while I was at Discount Tire, he's like, what's wrong with these other wheels? I'm like, one of the wheels has lost the finish to it. And he's like, are you sure it's not brake dust? Brake dust? White? Is brake dust white? I don't know what world you live in. Like, does he think that I don't know how to clean my wheels? Jesus. Wanted to bring you guys an update. Got the ST all cleaned up, as you can see. Looks beautiful. Take a look at these wheels. There are virtually no defects. It just makes me so much happier to have perfectly maintained wheels, and again having the OEM aspect as well, because they're very strong wheels. But the car looks really nice using ammo mud tire shine. Paint looks good. Yeah. Very happy with my choice of getting these new wheels. Mine will be up for sale soon. If you guys are interested, if you're in Phoenix, Arizona, I'll have them up on OfferUp. And yeah, you can have them for 150 bucks. See you soon.